Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Missing any crucial updates that could impact your investments would be unfortunate. Elevate your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 8, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.27. Now, let's analyze the performance of the stock during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -1.04%. This implies an average daily loss of -0.17% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential buying opportunity for investors. However, if the lower trend floor at $182.90 is broken, it may indicate a slower rate of rising and could be an early warning for a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 9.72% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 9.29% and 21.92%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 25.99% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 20.67% and 38.21%, translating to a price range of $221.58 to $253.80 after a year. Our latest update on Apple reveals that the stock price closed at $183.63 on Tuesday, experiencing a decrease of 1.23%. On Tuesday, the Apple stock price dropped from $185.92 to $183.63, marking a decline of -1.23%. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $180.93 and a high of $184.26, showing a 1.84% variation. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decrease of -4.62%. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 25 million on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This may indicate a potential risk in the coming days. In total, approximately 65 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $12.01 billion. Within the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Apple was $199.62, while the lowest was $133.77. Currently, the price stands at $15.99, or 8.01%, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is $44.63, or 19.55%, below the all-time high recorded on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Let's talk about analyst ratings for Apple Incorporated AAPL. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Apple stock has received a general strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price to book both as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Apple. Currently, there aren't many positive technical signals for Apple stock. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast, indicating a sell. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock sees a correction and moves upward, it may encounter resistance at $184.74 and $190.88. However, if it manages to break above these levels, it may issue buy signals. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point, leading to a decline of -7.31% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at the moment. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 21 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $181.91. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. It's important to keep an eye on this support level. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in trading Apple's stock. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent data, we can see that during the last day, the stock moved $3.32 between its high and low, which is a 1.84% fluctuation. This gives us an idea of the stock's volatility. Zooming out to the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.44%. This information can help us gauge the stock's stability and potential for price changes. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often seen in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are projected at $2.08. These figures can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple stands at $185.64. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $181.91. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, allowing you to anticipate a rebound. The average rating for Apple from multiple analysts is classified as strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris sold a total of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. purchased 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -21.694. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. We have given a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is it a good time to invest in Apple stock? Despite a positive trend, Apple stock currently presents several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will be weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, January 17th, we anticipate Apple stock to open with a decrease of $0.690, starting trading at $182.94. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Therefore, we strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.